2025. Our four icons. First icon is Mr. Negros Oriental. Congratulations, Negros Oriental. You may please take down and sign. Yes. Are you ready for the second icon? Our Mr. Friendship International Philippines second icon, Mr. Nueva Ecija. Congratulations, Nueva Ecija. Once again, I would like to tell everyone that all of our icons are equal voting. Ibig sabihin po, pare-parehas sila ng rank, all of our four icons.
Yes. So, wala po itong ranking. Yung tatlo lang po later will have different titles.
So our third icon is Mr. Nacarlan Laguna. Congratulations, Mr. Nacarlan Laguna. Taking the fourth spot for our icons. Ang susunod po na tatawagin namin ay makakabilang sa fourth icon. He is no other than Mr. Leyte! Congratulations, Mr. Layton. This means that the three remaining candidates will be our three title holders this year. So please take the center stage. We shall announce, first we shall be announcing Mr. Friendship Tourism, and then the two remaining will automatically be Mr. Friendship Ambassador, and the one who will remain is Mr. Friendship Philippines 2025. So we will be announcing Mr. Friendship Tourism first, alright? Who are your best sigawan naman dyan? Uulitin po namin, ang sasabihin po naming pangalan will be our Mr. Friendship Tourism 2025. And to announce the Mr. Friendship Tourism 2025, it is no other than Mr. Cagayan de Oro! to our two remaining candidates. Isigaw ninyo naman kung sino sa kanila ang sa tingin ninyo deserving to be Mr. Friendship International Philippines. Sino sa inyo ang supporter ni Cebu City? Sumigaw! City! How about si Mr. Lipa? Alright, we shall be announcing Mr. Friendship Ambassador. Once again, the person that we are going to call is Mr. Friendship Ambassador, which means that the person we did not call is our Mr. Friendship International Philippines. Tatagalugin ko po for everyone. Ang tatawagin po naming pangalan ay ang ating Mr. Friendship Ambassador. Kaya ang matitira po na hindi namin tinawag will be our Mr. Friendship International Philippines 2025. Ang hindi po natin tatawagin ay atras muna para mabigyan ng spot ang ating Mr. Friendship Ambassador. Alright, without further ado, oras na! This is the moment we all been waiting for this evening! Our Mr. Friendship Ambassador in 2025 is Mr. Friendship Ambassador 2025 is Cebu City! Congratulations to our Mr. Friendship Ambassador 2025, Cebu City!
Spreading smiles across the seas.
We can also welcome on stage our co-candidates.
Mr. Friendship,
And now, ladies and gentlemen, our Mr. Friendship International Philippines, Lipa City!
Mr. Friendship,
Congratulations, Lipa! Once again, a big round of applause to Mr. Lipa City, our current Mr. Friendship International Philippines 2025. Yes, and he will carry the banner of the Philippines in the international stage. He will be competing in Thailand this coming December. Kaya bigyan po natin siya ng maraming good luck and prayers because he will become the next Mr. Friendship International 2025. To all our candidates, thank you for showing the world the true meaning of Filipino friendship and brotherhood. On behalf of all the organizing committee, sponsors, and partners, thank you for joining us tonight. This has been the grand proclamation of Mr. Friendship International Philippines 2025. I am Shady, signing off. And I am Mr. Yako. Maraming salamat po.